Once market participants learned that the year's inflation rose less than expected, they hoped that the year's Fed would not raise the key interest rate earlier than planned. In other words, the regulator may raise the benchmark rate only in spring 2022. Let us find out how investors' assumptions have affected the euro and the pound sterling. Judging by the fact that the euro returned to its previous levels and the British pound is moving in the same direction, investors' optimism was short-lived. It seems that market participants realized that inflation still reached the record high last seen in 1982. As the result, concerns that the Fed may take emergency measures rose again. Notably, the FOMC meeting will take place on Wednesday. In fact, the week could be rather nervous. On Thursday, both the Bank of England and the ECB will hold a meeting. Thus, the market volatility is likely to surge. However, until Wednesday, the market situation is expected to be calm. Let us closely look at the trading charts. The euro-dollar pair entered the sideways channel between 1.1265 and 1.1355 after correctional movement. A long fluctuation within this range may cause the market acceleration. However, the pair is expected to leave the sideways channel soon. In this case, traders could choose a breakout strategy. Buy orders could be initiated after the price consolidates above 1.1360 on the 4-hour chart, and sell positions could be opened if the price fixes below 1.1260 on the same period. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair resumed hovering within the range of 1.3200 and 1.3290. As a result, the quote approached its upper limit. Although we see a flat movement, the main trend remains downward. This is proved by the midterm trend that began in early June. The trading strategy is similar to the one applied to the euro. Traders should focus on the sideways channel. Buy or sell signals may appear after the price fixes beyond the limits of the range, at least on the 4-hour chart. Trading recommendations, thus, buy orders could be initiated above 1.3300, whereas sell positions could be opened below 1.3165. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the year's trading session.